What's up everybody, it's JB Tech Fanatic and I'm back again with another video. As always, I want to start this video by thanking each of you for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed, I'd be so honored if you'd consider doing so. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you want to know when the latest content is available, don't forget to click those notifications to on. Today we are here with a brand new product by Samsung. This is the stick vacuum category. This will run you a $699 price tag at launch. It is the Samsung Jet VS90 series. This is a vacuum that is not meant to replace your regular stand-up vacuum in your home, but is to work as an addition to whatever you need quick and easily without wires. Now, today I hope to introduce this to you, show you each part, tell you about it, show you how to put it together, and at the end, let's see if it's worth your hard-earned money. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's get started. All right, pops open kind of like an open book. All the goodies nicely packaged. All right, we got the first set of baggies off of the product. Lots of pieces to go through. There we go with the rest of the items out of the plastic baggies. Here we have the soft action brush. This is the hardwood soft brush. It has an anti-static silver thread woven soft brush roll, and this is perfect for wood floors or, picking up that fine dust particle in any small place and not scratching your floor. It actually is so silky smooth and soft, and you can kind of see that silver in there. It's just a great attachment to have, and in my opinion, one of the main reasons to buy this vacuum. Next, we have the spinning sweeper. You can use this as two different modes. One of them, you can have dual spinning wet pads, or if you want just to use the reusable microfiber pads, this is a great way to, buff your floor and make them shine. Everything is washable and easily taken off, so you just kind of Velcro it there. But another great attachment. Next up, we have the mini motorized tool. I really like this piece. It gets its power from these little pins here. This is great for maybe your vehicle or your couch. It's not gonna stop spinning because it loses suction, because it has its own motor. This is a very useful attachment. All right, so we have a 21.9 volt lithium ion battery. I just wanted to bring this up. The big thing or the big news here is they are saying that this will keep 70% of its capacity after 5 years of use. Now, if that is fact, we won't know that for 5 years, of course, but that means that you're getting a very high quality battery with up to an hour of use. I will say this right off the bat, you will not get a full hour of use with this if you're running everything at max capacity. If this is a product that is used more in the short term or for quick pickups, I would recommend grabbing another battery if you have the funds available. Up top, we have a digital display that also tells you if you have a clog, you have your power button, and you can cycle through wet mode, minimum, mid, or max, as well as power on and off. We also have a 5-stage filtration system, which gets rid of 99.9% of all dust and allergens. You have a washable bin that you can actually just wash off in the sink, and it uses a jet cyclone which separates fine dust particles and maintains consistent suction power. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but it has each individual cylinder in there, and then you have a filter. When you put this together, it is very easily done. Keep in mind that all of the power comes from these pins, so when you're putting it together, make sure they line up and you hear the snap. That way you get power. If these are dirty or they have anything in them, you're gonna think that your device is not functioning properly, so make sure that they're clean. Remember, the power base will have to be put together. Be sure to remove the plastic off of the metal so you have full contact. Of course, you have to have it plugged into the wall, and then each part will slide on and snap in. As you can see, the little screw hole and the screw hole will line up. Go ahead and push that down. They do include the screw. Go ahead and screw that in right here. Screws nice and tight. Just wanted to show you where you put your power cable. Next piece actually just snaps on. Make sure that the red button is facing. You can't really see it from here, but this will just slide in and snap down, just like that. Next part, you actually want to make it facing the pole. When you slide up, it'll snap right into place. Now you have a nice little docking station where you can put some of your attachments. All right, let's see and hear it in action. Just want to make note, of course, you can hide that cable once you have it up against the wall, but I'm doing this for the demo. Make sure that the blue lights are all the way, all solid for a full charge. Takes about 4 hours if it's empty. This slides off very easily. Power button's here. Now let's see how loud it gets in all the modes. So that's mid. So we got max right there, mid, and minimum. As you can see the brush, hopefully you can get that on the camera there. And then you simply put it back down. It's very light and easy to use. All right, as a quick test, I went ahead, took some cereal, crunched it up, and put it all over the floor. Now let's see this thing in action. I'm gonna put it on max. Here it comes. Look at that. Not even a single crumb. And the best part is, it's light and it does no damage to your floors. Pretty impressive. We're gonna do it one more time, put a little more out, and I'm gonna do it from the other direction. Back to max. So you can actually see it really does a great job. All right, quick push of a button. This will snap on the bottom for you. This again is the spinning sweeper. You can use this in wet mode or dry mode. However, I just have it dry to give you an idea of what it looks like. As you can see, you can buff and shine your floor. Again, these are washable pads, and it glides really nice on any type of floor and really easy to use. All right, last but not least, we have the mini motorized tool. Again, it has its own motor, so it won't get stuck. I also want to show you that with a quick push of a button, you can change the length. This is great if you want to do your couch or car or stairs, but I'm going to put this on max. And as you can see, the power symbol there is max. And then you would simply vacuum as needed. It's still got great suction and a great useful tool. All right, so lastly, you're all done and you want to clean out your bin. You would just simply press the release button and then the filter twist off, pops out. You can dump this out and rinse it off. Before I go into the full review portion of my video, I wanted to give you a quick tip. If you want to know what makes this lose battery the fastest, that would be this attachment here. If you want to maximize the life of the battery, try it on minimum mode. You might be pleasantly surprised that it has quite a bit of suction power. In addition to that, to make this battery last longer for you, my recommendation would be to try to never run the battery to complete zero, put it back on the charger after use every time, and definitely try different modes to maximize the battery potential. All right, so time for my honest thoughts. First and foremost, I have to be honest with you. $700 is very expensive. That and the fact that they don't give a spare battery is my biggest critique, but I have to say the price is right on point with the competition. You will pay for convenience. You will pay for battery-powered products. This is the same whether it be yard tools or home tools, you pay a premium for that. Having said that, getting past the price, I definitely would recommend this product. The spinning sweeper is phenomenal. It comes in handy day to day. My wife absolutely loves it. I feel that Samsung has really given us everything that we need with the exception of an additional battery. But I also love the fact that one, you don't have to take the battery off to charge it. You just hang it. It's very light. And they gave you a spare slot on the same base where you can charge a separate battery. I also like that you have all of your attachments easily handed to you right off of the product where it houses itself. In addition to that, the mini motorized tool, again, a very useful utensil, and then the soft action brush is what makes this product. I can't tell you how great of a job it does, and I'm gonna give you a quick example. My daughters often use glitter. Glitter gets on my wood floors, it gets on my tile floors, and my old vacuum just won't get it out. I have several vacuums, but this definitely gets rid of it. It gets rid of those fine particles, and I don't see any dust coming out. It has a great filtration system, but just a fair warning, this is used for quick, maybe you wanna just do one room or you wanna do your car. If you run this thing on full power, I'm getting about 6 to 12 minutes of use. Getting an hour of use, you need to go all the way down to the lowest setting. That might be an issue for a lot of you. However, it can easily be fixed with adding another battery. And also, I wanna give you kind of my thought on this. When I first thought about the battery life and I was thinking, gosh, 6 to 10 minutes, that's not a lot at all. And it really isn't if you're trying to vacuum your whole house. However, for a quick pickup or your car, it's more than enough to definitely get a couple rooms done, or your hardwood floor, you wanna get that dust up, it will take care of it. This brush here is like magic. I wish all vacuums had it on there, but Samsung overall has created a very high-end package that competes with all others on the market. As far as battery life goes, it's got just as good or better battery life to the products that are equally priced. It has a 200 watt power suction, which I find to be more than enough and awesome for a battery operated product. And then again, Samsung gives us all the tools we need with the exception of a battery. So I have to say today, I absolutely recommend this if you can afford it. This is the product you want if you're gonna get a stick vac. This is just a great product. I love it and my wife loves it. And if she loves it, happy wife, happy life. That pretty much wraps up the all-new Jet VS90 Stick Vac by Samsung. I wanna hear from you in the comments. What do you think of this product? Are you gonna go out and purchase one? Or maybe you already own it. What do you think of it? As always, I wanna take a moment to slow things down and remind you, life is so short. Don't forget to love your family, love your neighbors, take care of each other. Go out today and do a small act of kindness. The world is a sick and twisted place, and the only people that can change it is you and I. I also want to remind you that I do YouTube for you and you only. If I missed anything about this product and I can help you by answering questions, reach me in the comment section. You can also find me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at JBTechFanatic. I want to say thank you one last time and invite you one more time to subscribe. And of course, I can't wait to talk to you guys in the comments and see you in the next video. And until then, I'm JBTechFanatic and I'm out. Peace.